Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka Khubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka Umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kani kadai ka Kynhun kapala tipkum ka Global Mission Factor Association lani Gmfa kaba rengkat ke jingetre lang bat katnat arts and culture jong ka sorkar jela kan sepenlong ya keren santem ban penpriang ya ka ktien jong Blei Lyngba ki sur Jingrwai. Haba keren ha ka jingelang kinong ilam jong ka Gmfa hapok ka jingelam jong president u Dr. Rimanbor Judah Conville bat u secretary Pastor Crosslin Marbanyang hasilong press club ha ka santarik mentau bena yayong arjar kat kendai kilaya thu bahakani keren santem kaban sapenlong ha ka khat sauterik mentau bena yayong arjar kat kendai hamadan pulo Shillong on sawan banya sam ya ka ktien jong Blei Lyngba ki Jingrwai dakawai ka Kynhun tem Jingrwai niam na ka United States of America ya ka balatip kum ka White Cross hakani ka khat sauterik kaban ha ka Pynsngew Blei haswa bagani ka Kynhun na USA kan tem on place dang ya ka rensan tem da ka Kynhun gospelers kaban nakani kanong ba Shillong bat kani ka rensan kan sedang naduk ka por sau siteng janmiet shaneng ka Kynhun White Cross na USA kadai ka Kynhun kabala khamrim ya kabala seng house nem khat khandai spa propusan kabala yoru ya lightly ki khusnam Dove Award.
I want to announce once again this year that we'll be holding quite a big event where an international band from the USA, White Cross, is coming to Shillong, and the Gmfa along with the Department of Arts and Culture, the Government of Meghalaya. So we're combining, we are joining hands to host this event. So just that much, they're performing, and also the host band Shillong Gospelers also performing. So that's the main event. It's already a blessing for the city because we believe that people who've been following them have been blessed through their songs and through their music. And you know, they are people who have been in the industry for a long time, and they've been proven, you know, to be a band that has integrity and that has a message in their song that can connect with the hearts of the people, especially young people, all the way back from the days where the band has been formed in the mid-80s till now. People have been influenced by the positive message that is in the the songs and the music that is presented by White Cross. And we do believe that as the occasion gives us the privilege to host them, and we are grateful to Gmfa and the Department of Arts and Culture for collaborating on this project, and then for White Cross for willing to come on a very short notice. And we know that the people of our city will enjoy solid music that we know is of the highest quality, and they'll be able to also interact with them because these are people that are very, that way we can have access to them, where we can draw from their knowledge and from their skills and from their abilities. I understand that there'll be some special sessions where they will also be helping musicians and artists who wants to come up in the area of music and the arts. So on behalf of Gmfa, we know that this will greatly enrich already rich musical culture that we have in the city, but it will also, we know that Shillong being already renowned as a music city of India, so with the coming of White Cross, not just that it's a music city, there's message in this music that is very positive, that will, I believe, greatly impact the lives of the